Hello everybody, welcome back. I thought I'd make a quick video on how to make those Fatwood matches that I had put into my spark wheel kit. And so what you got to do is, I have here this piece of steel. You see there's a bunch of holes in it. I actually use this with some of the steel dowels that I made to do bending, but it'll work perfectly for this. So what you're going to do is, you figure out what size you want. All right, so I'm going to use this small one here, and I have a hole. Whoa! There's a hole in the anvil. If you don't have a hole in the anvil, you can use your vise. Put it on your vise like this. So I'm going to place that hole right over that hole. I'm going to get myself a piece of Fatwood, and if it's approximately the size, it should be good to go. So I'm actually going to snap this off here, make it a little smaller. So you just stick it in the hole, get yourself a hammer, and you probably want to hold it down here to give it a little rigidity. See, it's splintered off. Now don't go crazy because it'll split and break. You gotta kind of do it gently. Wiggle it out. You have yourself a little Fatwood match. Excuse me. So here's a bigger one. You use a bigger hole. Now again, they work perfectly fine like this. But when you make them all kind of the same size, you can fit more into whatever you're doing. See if we can get another one, show you once more. You can see that popped off there. But you can get all these little pieces that come off and use that like Maya dust, so you don't have to waste anything. But as you can see, it goes from a very irregular shape to a very nice round shape. And that's what I call a Fatwood match. You can make these, like I said, any size you want. You can even drill bigger holes and any length to fit whatever thing you're going to put them in. You know, these happen to be in an Altoid, but the mini Altoids, cut them about that big and they'll fit right in. So there you go, just a quick video on how I make the Fatwood matches. Thanks everyone, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you're having a great day. See you on the next one.